Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset iRobot Roomba i3. To do this, first we'll need to open the iRobot app. Inside we need to select the robot and scroll down. You should find the product settings, go for About and your robot name. And here you will find the Remove Device from Account. Factory reset your robot name. Confirm it. Your robot should return to factory settings almost instantly. And the next step is to, in case you want to reconnect with it, is to press on the home button and spot button. At the same time, hold it for a few seconds to enter Wi-Fi pairing mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.